These altcoins are the next ones to pump. Bitcoin could get to 125K by one specific date, and Binance is about to launch something big this week. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when I drop the latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. If you haven't checked out our Altcoin Buzz Alpha membership, now may be the time. We've had an insane October where we're up 35% on Bitcoin, 2x on our top midcaps, and 2x on our gems. Over $1,000 in profit from the Celestia airdrop, and over $650 in profit from our buy and sell calls. That's almost a 200x ROI on the Altcoin Buzz subscription fee of only $15. To find out more, check out the links in the description below. Crypto product inflows for this year have eclipsed the total for the previous year, despite having a few weeks left in the year, according to CoinShares' latest weekly report. Per the CoinShares report, the weekly inflows into cryptocurrency products have reached a robust $767 million, exceeding the $736 million recorded in 2022. This record-breaking yearly performance comes on the heels of last week's $261 million in inflows, marking the sixth consecutive week, driven by the positive sentiment surrounding the possibility of an approval of a spot-based ETF by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. CoinShares notes that this recent surge in inflows is reminiscent of the run observed in July 2023 and marks the largest since December 2021. Notably, Bitcoin continues to dominate the surge, attracting $229 million in inflows last week and pushing its year-to-date inflow to an impressive $842 million. Ethereum, after experiencing consistent outflow since the start of October, has had its first positive week, accumulating $17.5 million. Despite losing around $107 million to outflows this year, this week marks the most substantial inflow since August 2022. Solana, a prominent contender to Ethereum, also saw notable inflows amounting to $10.8 million. Additionally, several other altcoins, including Chainlink, Polygon, and Cardano, registered inflows of $2 million, $0.8 million, and $0.5 million, respectively. Surprisingly, U.S. investors, who have mostly been cautious in their approach, are now actively participating in the digital asset product market. According to CoinShares, U.S. investors contributed the most significant share of inflows recorded last week, totaling approximately $157 million. Many market experts and observers have weighed in on the potential impact of a spot Bitcoin ETF approval on the price of Bitcoin. While optimism abounds, there is a range of price predictions, with some staying more conservative while others are more bullish. Matrixport, a cryptocurrency service provider, has projected that Bitcoin's price could rally as high as 125K by December of 2024. The firm attributes its expected surge to Bitcoin's entry into its fifth bull market, which they say commenced on June 22nd. Additionally, the firm notes that expectations of increased institutional adoption largely fueled this latest bull run. Likewise, Charles Yu, a research associate at Galaxy Digital, anticipates a 74% growth in Bitcoin's price during the first year after the SEC approves a Bitcoin ETF. Also, make sure to check out Randy's TA video on our Altcoin Buzz trading channel, as he's been killing it with his altcoin predictions. Chainlink's Link native token has soared by more than 60% over the past month to a yearly high of 1330. While the broader crypto market has enjoyed a strong rally over the past month due to optimism surrounding a Bitcoin ETF, Chainlink is also quietly enjoying some strong narratives driving its price performance. Data from Glassnode shows that Link's upward price movement was aided by the increase in the number of addresses with non-zero balances, reaching a new high for this year at more than 685,000. This signals that the digital asset is seeing increased adoption from investors heavily acquiring the crypto token. For context, on-chain analyst Look On-Chain reported that a whale address acquired 312,000 Link, valued at around $3.81 million on November 5th. Chainlink's planned staking V2 upgrade drives new interest into its ecosystem. The upgrade will introduce flexible withdrawals, liquid rewards, modular architecture, and dynamic rewards. These innovations aim to enhance user experience and incentivize participation in the network. And also, the Digital Assets Cross-Chain Interoperability Protocol, or CCIP, is enjoying heavy adoption from major traditional institutions. In August, the global financial messaging network SWIFT revealed that it was collaborating with Chainlink and several financial institutions for tokenizing experiments involving the transfer of tokens across multiple blockchains. The CCIP technology would also be adopted by South Korean gaming giant WeMade to power an interoperable Web3 gaming ecosystem. The gaming company also made Chainlink Labs the first member of a consortium focused on development and innovation of an omni-chain ecosystem. Furthermore, Hong Kong revealed that it was using CCIP technology for value exchange in its central bank digital currency trials. These developments have made Chainlink one of the best performing digital assets within the crypto ecosystem this year. The price of the ORDI token tied to the Bitcoin Ordinals protocol surged 50% in the past 24 hours after it was listed on the crypto exchange Binance as an emerging project under the seed tag. Binance said in a Tuesday announcement that ORDI is a relatively new token that poses a higher than normal risk and as such will likely be subject to higher price volatility, Please ensure that you exercise sufficient risk management, having done your own research in regard to ORDI's fundamentals, and fully understand the project before opting to trade the token. The exchange adding the seed tag represents innovative products that may exhibit higher volatility and risks compared to other listed tokens. ORDI prices surged to the $11 level from Monday's $7 range, with trading volumes jumping to nearly $100 million after 24 hours. The Ordinals protocol allows users to embed data into Bitcoin by inscribing references to digital art into small Bitcoin-based transactions. The protocol was released in April after the introduction of the Bitcoin Request for Comment or BRC20 token standard, which allows users to issue transferable tokens directly through the network. That then quickly spurred a collection of digital artwork and meme tokens built on Bitcoin in the weeks afterwards. Over 38 million inscriptions have been issued on Ordinals since its April release, and data from Dune Analytics shows it's generated over $77 million worth of Bitcoin in developer fees. Binance Blockchain Week starts tomorrow, November 8th, and Binance has launched a teaser saying the key to onboarding the next billion, November 8th. Look On Chain has also shared that as Binance Blockchain Week approaches, the price of Binance-related tokens has surged over the past month. BNB is up 18%, TWT 77%, Cake 95%, XVS 43%, and APX 178%. So what are these tokens and why are they pumping? Well, BNB is their native token, so naturally it's up with anything related to Binance. Trust Wallet is a mobile cryptocurrency wallet that was acquired by Binance in 2018. The price of TWT surges as Binance's Web3 wallet is about to launch. PancakeSwap is a DEX built on BSC, and the 24-hour trading volume on PancakeSwap is $455 million with a TVL of $1.48 billion. Venus is a DeFi protocol on BSC that enables digital asset lending and generation of synthetic stablecoins backed by a basket of various BEP20 assets. The TVL on Venus is $633 million. And lastly, Apollo X is the foremost decentralized exchange for crypto derivatives on the BNB chain, and it was funded by Binance Labs in its seed round. As the Binance Blockchain Week kicks off, I'm sure we'll hear more announcements regarding these as well, so pay attention to the Binance ecosystem this week. Arbitrum is slated to distribute more than $100 million in its native ARB token to anyone willing to lock their tokens with the protocol's DAO. The staking mechanism passed a governance vote earlier Monday morning. Supporters say the payouts will put Arbitrum's inflated treasury to use by rewarding long-term token holders. However, detractors argue that high yield would create sell pressure, and the staking proposal could make ARB appear to be a security. Under the proposal, users will receive greater returns the longer they keep their tokens held by the Arbitrum DAO. The maximum locking length will be 1 year. Arbitrum DAO's time-lock staking differs from proof-of-stake network staking in that the funds committed are not utilized for network security purposes. In the proposal, Plutus makes the case that Arbitrum's treasury, the largest among all DAOs at $3.9 billion and denominated mainly in ARB, should be shared with ARB holders. Staking would reward long-term aligned stakers with yield while penalizing mercenary capital and short-term actors. But not everyone in the Arbitrum community is bullish on staking in its current form. Several forum posters expressed qualms that issuing ARB from the treasury would create sell pressure on the token. Others had regulatory concerns, saying the main concern is that it would open the doors for regulators to potentially question if Arbitrum staking could be an investment contract and therefore a security. The DAO now awaits a second proposal concerning implementation of the staking program. ARB's price has risen over 40% since nearly matching its all-time low on October 20th. And Emperor Osmo on X wrote, "While everyone's eyes are on Sol, I'm watching ARB, largest inflows of any other chain over the past 7 days, looking at projects which directly benefit from increased liquidity and users. GMX, Pendle, MCB, Grail, Radiant, and HMX. The Arbitrum ecosystem is another one to keep an eye on this week as it gains massive inflows. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz News Update. I'm Husker Buffington. Thanks for watching.